Okay. Hello. I'm about to paint my room. I don't know how I feel about this because this is a project that is more than what I expected already. It is 4:20 on a Saturday and I have plans tonight. So we're gonna see how far I can get. I also thought I could just get one can of paint with primer, white paint might I add, to cover up this red wall as you see. But as you can expect, I could not. I got a can of white paint with primer in it, and then I just got a whole separate can of primer so that this red wall can be tamed. And the gray too, I'm gonna paint the gray. So the primer is in gray because the guy at the store who didn't work there, but he seemed knowledgeable about paint. He was like, get gray primer, it's better you end up using less paint or whatever he said. I was like, all right, bet. Like, I'm trying to do this as efficiently as possible. Like, I was like, you can always, go back over it. No, I'm doing this one time and one time only. So I'm gonna time lapse it, maybe, hopefully, we'll see, of me painting my room white so that I don't have to film in front of my closet doors. Look at the paint. This is my setup. So this is the primer that I got in case anybody is interested. And then this is the paint that I got. So Bear and Zinzar, sponsor your girl. Here goes nothing. I know a lot of time has passed since I painted or I started painting, but this is where we're at right now. The walls are white, really white. I did not do that to the area. I don't know if I am. I kind of like the gray in the cutout. This was a very I got paint on me. This was a very large project that I for sure, without a shadow of a doubt, underestimated. But nonetheless, We've got a white room. And I'm actually exhausted. Shout out to Perry for helping me paint and move the furniture. I'm washing my sheets right now. It's looking good already. Oh, y'all gonna be filming in here with my white wall. I probably should have got like a cream to match everything else. But it is what it is. I said, give me your whitest white. I just want the walls white. Aww. My white room. Alright. Tired. Okay, hello, hi. I just went to go buy the spray paint for my tables, and I think I might spray paint them now because that sounds exciting to me in this moment, and I need some excitement because I kind of low-key, high-key feel sick. And yeah, so before I spray paint, back from Home Depot, and this is the spray paint that I got. See the sun peeking through? She might be seen. Anyway, this is the spray paint that I got, and I have two kind of side tables that I'm gonna have in my room. I had these side tables for a good little minute now, and to keep me from spending more money, especially now because my goal is to ultimately move out in a year or so, a year or less. So I'm trying to save money for that as well. So in an effort to redo my room and still, you know, stay on a budget or whatever, I'm just gonna spray paint them. And both of the tables are actually from IKEA. I'm gonna show you. This is table one. I already brought it out here, so that's why I got it from the back. This is table one. It's actually really small and short. But it's gonna go on the side of my bed. It's black. Like I said, it's from IKEA. I got it about maybe 2 years ago, 2-3 years ago. So, but also, oh my god, what was that? I got this other table from IKEA. Like a year or so ago. I actually might need to put this together first. Okay. Let's put this together first. As you can. Sorry. I don't even remember the last thing that I vlogged, but ultimately I'm gonna make this into. Oh, I hope I only need 3. There are actually ants all on this ground. Don't freak out. Oh, there's one in there. Okay. So here's the table. How this is gonna...
Okay, what are you painting?
This one and that one.
What color are you painting?
Orange. I gotta
Where
put
did
it
that one
together.
come from?
This is the one I got from IKEA. They're both from IKEA, actually.
It what?
I said they're both from IKEA, actually. I just got them at different times. This one probably should have. But I'm gonna put it together and then I'm gonna spray paint them.
You think y'all would wait until the sun is out and do that? They'll dry a whole lot faster and better.
Maybe, but I kind of want to do it now. So I feel like I don't have to do a bunch of stuff tomorrow. I'm also feeling kind of sick.
And you feeling kind of sick?
Yeah.
Did you take a test?
Not yet. I took some medicine.
Yeah, it sounds like you got COVID.
It does not sound like I have COVID. It just sounds like I'm congested.
And what else?
I'm just congested. I had a migraine last night, but it could have been because I didn't eat.
Okay. Congestion.
I just had a migraine. Anyway, stop trying to self-diagnose me. Alright, back with a fresh battery. Okay, so I ended up having to screw these little things in because that's how the table, you know, tables. table is put together, I'm going to wipe it down and then we're gonna get to spray painting it.